Okay, hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you a word of English grammar. We are testing how well you really know your things. Within 10 challenging questions. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and never miss that makes learning English for fun and wonderful. So, the first challenging question is that which sentence uses the future perfect tense? A. I will finish the project. B. I have finished the project. C. I will have finished the project by tomorrow. D. I was finishing the project. So, what is your answer? The future perfect tense from the given alternative. So, what is your answer here? Can you guess? Can you put the answer? C. I will have finished the project by tomorrow is the correct answer for the given future perfect tense. The second question, which tense is used in this sentence? She had been waiting for hours before birth came. A. Present perfect. B. Past perfect continuous tense. C. Future perfect. D. Present continuous tense. So, which the alternative tense represents the given sentence that she had been waiting for hours before the birth came? Can you give me the answer? What will be your answer here? Okay. B. Past perfect continuous tense is then therefore the sentence she had been waiting for hours before the bus came. Okay, number question 3. What is the correct form to complete this sentence? By the next year, I belong in this company for a decade. A. Work. B. Will work. C. Will be working. D. Will have worked. So, can you give the answer here? What is the correct answer here? From the given types of tense, what would be the answer for the blank space here? A, B, C, D. Which is? Which one is the correct answer? Okay. Will D will have worked is the correct answer for this blank space. Thank you for your trial. I hope you got the answer. Question number 4. Identify if identify the tense they have been arguing for an hour. A. Present perfect. B. Present perfect continuous tense. C. Past continuous tense. D. Past perfect continuous tense. So, what is the answer? For this, they have been arguing for an hour. Present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, past continuous tense, D. Past perfect continuous tense. Can you guess the answer here? What will be your answer? Assume you are on an exam. So, for the given sentence that they have been arguing for an hour is an example of the present perfect tense. So, A is the correct answer. Question number 5. Choose the correct past perfect sentence from the given choice. Past perfect sentence. Which one is the past perfect sentence? A. I was studying. B. I was studying. C. I studied. D. I'm studying. So, which is the correct answer? A, B, C, D, or which one is the answer? Can you put the answer? Can you get the answer? So, from the given types of tense, the answer is B. I was studying. Question number 6. Which sentence is in the past continuous tense? Which sentence is in the past continuous tense? A. I was studying. B. I was studying. C. I studied. D. I am studying. So, which is the correct answer for the past continuous tense from the given alternative? That is A out to D. That represents the past continuous tense. So, B. I was studying is the answer for the past continuous tense for the given question. Okay, question number 7. Which tense is used for this sentence? I will be eating dinner at 8 p.m. A. Future simple. B. Future perfect. C. Future continuous. D. Present continuous. So, what is the answer for the sentence that represents I will be eating dinner at 8 p.m.? I will be eating dinner at 8 p.m. There is subject here, there is will or shall, there is be, there is a main verb plus ing, there is an object or complement. So, which represents these types of sentence? So, C, the future continuous, is the answer of these questions. Okay, question number 8. Choose the correct sentence in the present perfect tense. Meaning that which one of the following is an example of that present perfect tense? In other words, A, he eats breakfast. B, he ate breakfast. C, he has eaten breakfast. D, he is eating breakfast. So, what is the correct answer for this present perfect tense? Meaning that which one of the following is the present perfect tense from the given choice? He eats breakfast, he adds breakfast, he has eaten breakfast, D, he is eating breakfast. So what's your answer here? Can you get the answer? Can you get the answer here? So he has eaten breakfast is the correct answer for these questions. Okay, question number 9. Fill in the blank. When arrived they dinner? A. Have cooked. B. Cooked. C. Were cooking. D. Are cooking. We arrived they dinner. So what's the correct answer here? Have cooked, cooked, were cooking, are cooking. So what will be your answer here? Can you guess? Suppose that you are on an exam. So what will be your answer? So where quitting is answer. Why? Because when arrival is a short action, and if there is short action, the other sentence will be long action. What is said to be that is a past continuous tense. So where quitting is answer for this one. That is application of the past continuous tense. You can refer on the video of the past continuous tense to get more knowledge on the short action and the long actions. Question number 10 and the last here. It is a challenge for question, I think so. Which sentence in the future perfect continuous tense? A. I would have been waiting here for 5 years. B. I will be working here. C. I have worked here for 5 years. D. I had worked here for 5 years. So, can you try? Can you try this one? The future perfect continuous tense. Which one is here? A. I would have been working here for 5 years. B. I will be working here. C. I have worked here for 5 years. D. I had worked here for 5 years. So what is the correct answer here? Can you put the answer here? Can you guess? Please try. This is the end of question today. So the answer of this question is that A. I would have been waiting here for 5 years is the correct answer for the future perfect continuous tense. So this is the end of our quiz or exam one. How many do you get right from these questions? I hope that if you got more than 7, you are wonderful. Please don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to get the exam or quiz too. Have a nice time. See you tomorrow.